Assalamu alaikum. Today I discuss cell cycle and different phases of it and checkpoint present within it. There is a two part of the cell cycle: mitosis, the cell division, and the interphase. Interphase again has three parts: Z1 phase, S phase, Z2 phase. After mitosis, some cell enter Z0 phase. They are not divide mitotically or occasionally divide due to after proper stimulation. G1 phase is the longest, um, take long time. It take 9 to 12 hour, and there is a checkpoint present, G1 DNA damage checkpoint. After mitosis, the cell size is small here, so it is known as the pre-preparatory phase before DNA synthesis. Here cell grows and synthesize essential for protein, which are essential for DNA formation. In DNA damage checkpoint G1 phase, monitor DNA damage and halt progress to the S phase for repair. There is another restriction checkpoint present in between G1 and S phase. This restriction checkpoint acts as the point of no return, check for adequate cell size, nutrition, growth factor, and absence of DNA damage before DNA synthesis. S phase is special for DNA replication. Here, entire genome is duplicated. S phase also contain a DNA damage checkpoint, operate during DNA synthesis, and detect and repair error in newly synthesized DNA to prevent replication of damaged template. There is a now Z2 phase, a second preparatory phase where the cell continue to grow and synthesize protein for mitosis. There is a two checkpoint is present here: unreplicated DNA checkpoint and DNA damage checkpoint. In unreplicated DNA checkpoint, ensure all DNA is fully replicated before entering mitosis. Prevent premature progression from Z2 to M phase if replication is incomplete. Another checkpoint, DNA damage checkpoint. Uh, Here monitor DNA integrity post replications, repair any damage to ensure genomic stability before mitosis begin. Then mitosis is start, the process of cell division leading to two daughter cell. Here two checkpoint is present: spindle assembly checkpoint and chromosome segregation checkpoint. In spindle assembly checkpoint, ensure chromosomes are properly aligned and attached to the spindle apparatus before anaphase, preventing error in chromosome segregation. Chromosome segregation checkpoint. Confirm chromosomes are correctly distributed between daughter cell before cytokinesis. So this is all about the description of the cell cycle and different checkpoint present within this cycle. If you find this video helpful, please share this video and please support me for subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.